Hi guys, this is Rajiv Nedungadi again, and today I'm going to be unboxing Tom Cruise's War of the Worlds on Ultra HD 4K. I went for a single disc set for this one because I already have the Blu-ray with me, um, and this came pretty cheap. Cheap in a sense, I got it for 1400 Indian rupees, which is about $20. That's the cheapest that we get. Right here is the spine. Okay, here's the back. So there is no special features on the 4K disc. However, we can see that there are multiple audio languages and multiple subtitle languages on the disc. Okay, the movie is 116 minutes. Alright, so let me just open this. Okay, so here's the disc. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, please click on like. Please subscribe to my channel and share my videos. Thank you.